What's up, YouTube? Just got a parcel in the mail. Doing unboxing. And here she is. Wonder what it could be. I know what it is. Alright, let's open this box. 3, 2, 1. What the fuck? Let's do this again. What the? Come on. Okay. One more time. There we go. Alright. So what do we have here? We have a couple torsion keys. Allows you to go from 1 inch to 3 inch. Got some shock extenders. And these big guys. 3 inch coil spacers. And they sent me this. Oh, there. Little decals, little air freshener, little bottle opener. Don't know if I ever use that. And some rubber washers in there. Alright guys, install this lift. And 3, 2, wait a minute. No. Seen what happened last time. Let's do this manually. Let's get started. Alright. All I'm using for this installment today is just 2 6-ton jack stands, my unloading tool for my torsion keys, 1 inch socket, the 18 and 2 21s. There's my jack stand, my jack. Wish I had a trolley jack. Be using another jack here to lower my rear diff. To switch up the camera a bit, it kept on freezing on me at 1080. I had to switch over to 720. Okay, well, anyways, as a jack of the vehicle, put it on jack stands. Just release some tension off the tension bars, so you can take them off. Now, for the step. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just taking the tension bar bolt out. A lot of people like to take a measurement, see how far it is. I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to put the bolt straight up once I install the new keys. Alright. So next you're going to want to take a piece of chalk, just kind of mark. Torsion key and your torsion bar. So you have a guideline where the mark is. And load up your unloading tool. Switch over to the one because that's what my unloading tool takes. Look at it, Might want to take a hammer to this. After you take out the old torsion key, this guy here, I'm going to line it up, the holes anyway, until you have it corrected, and then make a line through it, just so you're positive on where it goes. Alright, I had to stop the camera for a little bit, but now I'm starting to rear end. I'm going to jack it up, take your back wheel off, put your jack stand in. Take this guy off. This is the other jack I'll be using to lower my diff. Hi, lovely. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, pretty flowers. Yeah. You say cheese?
Wow.
Love you, my girl. Okay, now it's time to remove. I got both tires off. Now it's time to remove the sway bar links, which is an 18, and then removing the lower bracket or lower bolt from the shock. Okay, now I got both tires removed. Now remove your lower shock mount. Take the bolt out. And your sway bar links. Preferably your sway bar links first. You'll need a 18-inch socket. And I'll be using a crescent wrench, but I believe this is a 19 mil. Alright, let's probably behind the van over there. Okay, now that's removed. Just want to go over and take off the other sway bar link first, and we'll come back and we'll do. And well, after you take the sway bar links out, just gonna move them out of the side here, and you can start taking off the shocks. Oh, lower part anyways. loosen off. Lower the diff some more. I wonder. Recording. Alright, so I got everything back together. Coil spacers. With the links, shocks all back together. Oh, rough country. Rough country 2.0. She is 3-inch lift installed. Alright, from watching that video, you can tell that I did not squat my truck. Seriously, I would not. I would not recommend it to anyone. Especially I'm up here in Canada. Yeah. Would not squat. Looks too much like this. So overall, I like the look. Only had one problem while I was dropping my rear differential, is that I had the hard brake line. I had to disconnect it from the top of the diff, just so I can get it low enough to get my coil spacers in there. Other than that, it was pretty easy install from what you can see. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my channel and watch her grow.